Losing weight is no easy feat because we're always in a hurry and never seem to find the time to get in shape. That's why the Warrior Diet gets so much attention nowadays, since it helps effectively lose weight without compromising your free time. We're here to explain how to do the Warrior Diet correctly, step by step, without causing any harm to your health and wellness. For those who have never heard about the Warrior Diet, let us explain it shortly. It's a callback to the ways of our ancestors who didn't lead a life where they'd eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They used to eat very little during the day, hunted on basically empty stomachs, and feasted at night. In today's world, the Warrior Diet is a 20-hour fast, also known as the 24 intermittent fasting. This pattern was created by the fitness and nutrition specialist Ori Hofmelker, a former member of the Israeli Special Forces. The Warrior Diet is an adaptation of his experiences as a soldier and the eating habits of ancient warriors. Even though it's called fasting, it's basically a 20-hour under-eating phase. The Warrior Diet is based on an initial 3-phase plan that helps your body adjust to the changes you're making. So, let's go step by step about how your 3-week plan should look when you follow the Warrior Diet. Phase 1, or Week 1, easing into the diet. The purpose of this phase is to improve the body's capacity to remove toxins and help the liver neutralize substances that trigger fat gain. During this phase, you're reducing the amount of food you eat during the 20-hour period. You basically need to undereat for 20 hours, but you're allowed to consume hard-boiled eggs, raw fruits such as kiwi, mango, pineapple, apples, bananas, raw vegetables such as greens, peppers, mushrooms, carrots, dairy products that include low amounts of milk, cottage cheese, low-fat yogurt, chicken, or beef broth. You can drink water and sugarless coffee or tea with a little bit of milk throughout the day in all phases of this diet. During the 4-hour eating window, you can start overeating to make up for the calories you didn't consume during the day. Stick to healthier choices such as small amounts of cheese, salad with olive oil and vinegar dressing, beans and legumes, wheat-free grains, cooked vegetables. We recommend eating the first serving of food and then taking a 20-minute break. The break allows you to respond to your body's satiety signals, indicating whether you're full. If you're still hungry, then eat more of the recommended foods. Phase 2, or Week 2, increasing your fat intake. The purpose of this phase is to improve the body's ability to utilize fat for energy. During Week 2, you continue undereating for 20 hours a day, eating the same foods we listed before on Week 1. But there are some changes in your 4-hour eating window meals. You can still eat salads with olive oil and vinegar dressing, cooked vegetables, and cheese, but you should replace beans and legumes with lean animal protein such as meat and fish. Also, you should eat at least 1 handful of nuts such as almonds, pecans, and walnuts. High-fat foods, such as nuts and seeds, help regulate the satiety hormone leptin. Also remember that you shouldn't eat grains or starches during Phase 2. Phase 3, or Week 3, alternating phase. This phase focuses on alternating your meals for increased weight loss and improving the body's ability to utilize carbs for energy. You will have 1 to 2 high-carb days, followed by 1 to 2 high-protein and low-carb days. Then, you rinse and repeat. On high-carb days, follow the regular under-eating schedule. During your eating window, in addition to the food you were consuming during Week 2, eat 1 main carbohydrate of your choice. You can choose one from this list: potatoes, pasta, oats, corn, rice, bread, pumpkin, barley. On high-protein days, undereat is normal. When your eating window begins, eat a salad with oil and vinegar, and then up to 450 grams of animal protein and non-starchy vegetables. During this phase, do not eat grains or starches. Remember that in all phases of the Warrior Diet, you should avoid junk or fried foods, processed meats, sweets, and sweetened beverages. That's how your 3 weeks with the Warrior Diet should look like. But what happens after these initial 3 weeks? Well, you either repeat the phrases all over again or stick to the 3rd phase. As you get used to the diet, incorporate exercise into your eating window too. The upside of the Warrior Diet is that you won't feel hungry. At least, not after the initial period of adjustment. Even though the Warrior Diet seems like a challenge, your body will get used to the way you're eating. Also, we strongly recommend taking various nutritional supplements such as multivitamins, minerals, and amino acids. But remember, you must consult your doctor and dietitian before starting this or any other diet. If you want to find out more benefits of less strict intermittent fasting methods, check out our intermittent fasting playlist. Also, don't forget to watch the video where real people share their success stories with intermittent fasting. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Health Insider for more health-related videos.